Here's the room, the Grand Central. 2,000. How much is the room for? For tomorrow.
For the deluxe room, sir, I can give you 2,500.
You don't have standard?
Oh, our standard is not that.
Oh, okay. Yeah, can I see the room?
You want to see the room? Okay, come on, maganda.
It's okay, I make a video for YouTube, show the hotel room.
Oh, we can use this, sir. Just only the second floor.
Oh, okay. How many rooms do you have?
We have 21 rooms available. You guys leave now. Hello.
Hi, how are you? Oh, you have a lift. Oh, this is nice.
This is front facing, so you can see outside.
Oh, this is really nice. Right now I'm staying on Fields, and this is a lot nicer.
Where are you staying right now, sir?
Way down on Fields, so I have to. But yeah.
So you can see outside.
Yeah, this is good.
So you can stay here. You can see people outside walking. Even on downstairs, you can
It's a nice hotel room, but 2,500 is still a little bit expensive.
Yeah.
But I think it's worth it. Is there a light right there? Now you're mostly booked, full?
For now, we're not fully booked.
Okay, give you guys another look at the hotel here.
For how long you gonna stay here, sir? Here in Angas.
I'm leaving in 10 days.
For just vacation?
Yeah, just vacation. I was gonna maybe go to Manila or Subic Bay, but I've just been here in Angeles City.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
We're in Manila, Makati.
I don't know anything about Manila.
Oh, I see.
Are you from Manila?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Where's a nice city to go to?
Usually Makati City. If you want to go bars also, they have in Burgos Street in Malate.
Oh, okay.
Same like here, they have bars.
Yeah, it's just about the same size, or is it?
No, it's bigger than here.
Bigger? Oh, okay. Yeah, lots of, I do YouTube, so a lot of people want to see like the nightlife and stuff of Philippines. When you come here, you got a coffee shop. Does it come with breakfast or anything, or?
Yeah, we have breakfast. We have promo breakfast like 149 only.
How much?
149 only.
Okay, it's not included in the hotel?
Oh, not included.
Oh, okay. All right, yeah, good. Thank you very much.
Okay, welcome.
It's the Grand Central Hotel. And they got a really nice coffee shop here. I'm gonna maybe come here for coffee. Americano is 100, cappuccino 130. Hello. They got ice cream here too. How much is the motorbike rental? Motorbike?
The?
Motorbike rental?
Minus 300 per day.
300 per day?
Yeah.
It's not bad. I just leave my passports.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much. There you go, surf and turf. And they got a cafe out here. And you come out here, you're right in the middle of Walking Street. So the hotel's right on Walking Street. towards that end is the entrance, and the other entrance. That one's towards the airport, and this one's towards one of the main roads. It goes to the front is McDonald's. They got a little game here. What is this? An arcade? Okay, yeah. Check it out. Oh yeah, it's like an arcade. So you can get your see if she wins or not. You can't win?
I think so.
Do you get money if you win?
No, only that.
Oh man, so close. So yeah, Walking Street here gets going a lot earlier than the one in Thailand, but it's a lot smaller. But it gets going in the afternoon and goes until the early morning. Here's the cosplay bar. They got a lot of Korean themed places. They're hiring too. A lot of places are all hiring. They need employees, mama-sans, waitresses.